Hello everyone, we are from XLR8 G2. We are here to do our presentation. Our team advisor is Puan Nur Azmi binti Kamarudin. Our aim is not only to make the school proud, but to be the greatest of all. To give an overview about our team identity, I will pass it to our graphic designer.
Hi, I'm Shami Jambris. I'm in charge as a graphic designer for this team. As you can see, the word accelerate came from accelerations, and the word G2 came from the second generation. The phrases expect the unexpected shows that we are the team that 2 steps further than our competitors. The arrow design shows that we, the teams that are moving forwards against technology. As you can see the documentations, our color was filled with 4 elements of colors. Which is black shows our prestigious. We are the one of the prestigious teams. Reds, we have the patience. Blue, the unity amongst teams members, and white shows our purity and integrity among other competitors. About the car color schemes, our car was filled with 2 colors, that is pearl white and blue, sapphire blue. Now we pass it to my design engineer.
Okay, thank you. My name is Muhammad Safar Aziz as a design engineer. Firstly, I would like to talk about our research. The main thing is about aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is essential in the production of the car. Aerodynamic efficiency helps to make the car become faster by streamlining the body shape of the car. The second thing is about drag. Drag is the force that resists the movement of a solid object. The 3 main areas where drags affect the car, there's the front wing, side pod and rear wings. Besides that, drag also will slow down our car by pulling the backward of the car. This is because the vacuum was created by turbulence. The next one is a Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle states that when the speed of the fluid increases, the initial pressure will decrease and vice versa. Therefore, we designed our car's wings according to the Bernoulli's principle. As for the concept, we had decided to choose hammerhead shark, peregrine falcon and a stingray. For the first concept, there is a hammerhead shark. As we can see, our front wing based on a hammerhead shark head. This design had to generate downforce for the front end of the car. We also use the dorsal fin of the shark, and we apply it to our rear wings of our car. So it helped to stabilize our car from lifting away. For the second concept, we had decided to choose a peregrine falcon. When hunting, the peregrine falcon folds its wings against its body. In these positions, the falcon velocity will increase. Therefore, we applied this concept to our side pods. The third concept is a stingray. For the body shape of our car, we had decided to choose stingray as our concept. As we can see, the body shape of stingray is very flat, so it can make the air flow smoothly through it. And finally, for the other process, I will pass to my partner, that is a manufacturing engineer.
I'm Fadi Shafiq bin Abdul Rahim. I'm the manufacturing engineer of this team. I'm responsible in the manufacturing process of the car. In the documentation, the isometric drawing shows our car special feature. Meanwhile, the orthographic drawing shows our car dimension. The design was made based on the regulation provided to us. Vernier caliper is used to measure the dimension of the real car with the sensitivity of 0.01 cm. The design from the solid edge is converted into a STL document before it could be used. The manufacturing process includes choosing the balsa wood with the range of weight between 120 to 128 grams. The design from the solid edge given to me by the design engineer was converted into a STL document before it could be used in the 3D QuickCam to set up the x-axis of which part of the balsa wood to be cut first. Virtual reality CNC Mining V5 is used to see the simulation, control and ensure the car is machined according to the car design. The finished car is smoothened using a sandpaper, a silicon carbide. Before the car is painted with a putty grain to strengthen the car structure. The axle hole is drilled using a template that is made for the car so that the axle hole is straight. A silver undercoat is painted before the car is sprayed with the finishing color. To make the car looks better, a clear lacquer is applied. A carbon elastic shaft is used. A carbon elastic shaft is inserted into the drill hole, and the tires are permanently assembled between two stoppers to prevent the tires from collide with the body and avoid from slipping away. Next, I will pass to my assistant for the further explanation about the manufacturing process.
My name is Faidi Syami bin Abdul Rahim. I am the second manufacturing engineer in this team. I am responsible with bearing assembly to the car. Ball bearing is a common term referring to a type of rolling element. Ball bearing is used to reduce rotational friction and support radial and axial load. Bearing specification. All bearing was measured and weighed along the process of car design. Estimation of car weight is calculated from the weight of all bearing and estimate weight of car with finishing color. The weight is taken from the last year prototype. Next, I will pass this presentation to our resource manager to give information about our team marketing and merchandise.
So my responsibility as the resource manager is to organize materials and to find sponsors. Our sponsors is Kedah Medical Centres, Hans Wira Sun and Lightning, our schools PTA and Sahoka. Our merchandise includes goodie bags, our school's brochures, our team brochures, and our sponsors brochures. We also have stickers. So we also have a blog to make sure all the people around the world to know us. We start this since March till October. So these are my teammates. We'll see you in the national level. Thank you.